Hey guys, my name is Sultan. Today I'm bringing you guys my February update on my dividends portfolio. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what stocks I'm invested into once again, and I'm also going to show you guys how things have changed from the month of January to the month of February. So now I've invested an additional £150 I believe since the last time I revealed my portfolio to you guys, so that's a decent growth. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I also plan on selling, what I considered selling. I didn't sell, but what I considered selling, and I'm going to show you guys just how much I now have invested, how much dividends I've been paid since I invested £1,900, and now I'm almost on £2,100. So I'm just going to show you guys every single thing that's changed in the space of 1 month. Let's dive right into the video. So a quick update before I actually show the portfolio to you guys is from today I will start investing £30 every single week into my dividends portfolio. So initially this was £20, but now it's going to be £30. So hopefully this helps to boost the compound interest and increase how much dividends I earn and everything like that, much quicker than it would be when it was £20. But I'm still gonna keep adding £100 into my growth portfolio. I did consider making it £15 maybe and reduce the dividends, but I'm mainly a dividend investor anyway, so I will continue to put more into dividends and just let the growth work slowly and surely, I guess. And if I need to add more, then I will add more into the growth portfolio. So currently I have invested £2,074 in this portfolio. So no, that's how much I have actually, including the return, because I have a 0.75 return at this moment in time. So as we can see, the portfolio isn't doing too bad. The market has been very low for the past, I think for the whole of February, to be honest. And today I actually invested £70, hence why you can see this huge spike. But besides from today, yeah, the market has been pretty dead for like the whole week. Like my whole growth pretty much reduced the whole time. So right here I was up by £50. This was in January on the 21st, and now yeah, in the space of a couple actually at this point I was down by £25. I mean, it's massive, but it's not. But this was like the first time I've been this low for quite some time. So yeah, and right now I'm only up by £16, which isn't too bad. It's definitely gonna go up, I guess, but yeah, this is how things are at this moment in time. So right now I'm just going to show you guys what my best stocks are and what my worst stocks are at this moment in time. So we can see that I'm up on Exxon by 26%, which will probably be my best. I think that is my best return at this moment in time. Everyone was against ExxonMobil and everyone was screaming about how Exxon is going to die and everything, but I thought Exxon was way too cheap. To be fair, I probably should have put in more into Exxon, but I didn't. But to be fair, I'm still not, I don't regret everything I've done so far. I'm probably going to keep buying more of Exxon, to be fair, because it's still quite cheap. In my opinion, Exxon is still quite cheap. We can also see Gap is still there because I haven't sold, though Gap doesn't pay dividends. I'm just currently testing out Gap. I'm not putting any more money into Gap, but I will just leave it and just see if it continues to grow. Intel was also doing quite well. For my worst performing stocks, we can see that Unilever here is doing quite bad. I'm down by almost 12%, and we can see that I'm also not doing too well on IBM and L&P. Yeah, so a few stocks are quite low, and I actually did consider selling P&G. Yeah, consider selling P&G right here. Reason being is because the dividend yield is quite low, right? It only pays 2.23%. Usually I have stocks that actually pay, or I try to invest into stocks that pay 3% or higher, but it is quite low. And we can see that it's down by 6% at this moment. It's actually got up. It was way lower initially. But the thing is, first of all, I don't sell stocks. You guys know I don't sell stocks. I try not to. I always try to invest in a good company from the beginning, and I just try to leave it and just watch it ride. Even if it goes down, it should go back up because they're so secure. So that's the reason why I didn't actually sell P&G, simply because this is one of my most secure stocks that I actually have. Like, it's very safe. They've been paying dividends for a very long time, and yeah, everything about them is actually quite solid. So it wouldn't be too wise for me to sell P&G, to be fair. So I'm actually just gonna buy more. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. The interesting thing is that whenever the market is very low, I'm actually happy. The reason being is because it gives me an opportunity to buy a whole lot more stocks. So earlier today, the market was down and I was actually, I had a £10 return earlier today. So I thought to myself, you know what, I have some money lying on the side, let me just buy more stocks. So that is exactly what I did before the market opened. And now I'm up at 18 in the space of about an hour since the market opened. So that is exactly why when the market is down, it just makes me very, very happy, because it's a big opportunity to buy a whole lot of stocks. A very, very big opportunity. That is the reason why now I pretty much own almost one share of every single company. Almost one share of every single company. And I own 39 companies in total. So we can see that P&G, I only own 0.3. Pepsi is much higher compared to last time. Last time I showed you guys Pepsi and I was on, I think 0.2 or even less, and I'm almost on 0.6 shares of Pepsi. So I've added a lot more money into Pepsi. If you guys actually want to see how much I had invested then, and what shares I had in different companies and what I bought, then you guys can check out my previous video. But right now, yeah, I almost own a share of every single company, which is the aim. Eventually, when I own a share of every single company, what I'm then going to do is I'm gonna now expand on every single one of them. I'm gonna, put a bunch more money into them, just make everything explode pretty much. The reason being is because when I get paid the dividends, which is between that March, April, yeah, I think that's when the dividends of all these companies start rolling in. That's when I'm gonna get, the big bucks and everything. And my aim right now is to, try to at least get paid £10 per month without working, without doing anything, just from my dividends alone. So that's my aim. Right now, I believe I'm on £7, but the aim is to get to £10 per month. So I'm pretty sure, if I continue to invest regularly, now that I've increased the price now to my investment to £30 per week, which is £120 per month, yeah, I should really get to that point very, very, very soon. So currently, my total dividends are still quite low, simply because I haven't qualified for the ex-div date for most of these companies yet. I actually bought these companies not too long ago, so of course I have to get through the ex-div day and everything. Then I'm gonna get paid the dividends. So this should be around March or so. But so far, since January, I actually received one of my highest paid dividends. Yeah, I think this is one of my highest paid dividends. Of course, it's not massive, it's not game-breaking amount of money or anything. I'm not just gonna retire now and call it a day. But now I'm very close to getting £1. If you guys can remember, to those who are subscribed, those who have watched the video, my first actual portfolio update or portfolio that when I revealed to you guys, I was getting about 1p and I said to myself that the aim is to get £1 on every single stock, because as soon as I start getting £1 on every single dividend payment, that is when I'm pretty much not there, but that is a massive, massive step forward. And right now we can see that on AT&T, I'm very, very close to getting that £1. And here we can see that on AT&T, I even have less than £1 invested. So this is, this is something big. We're getting close to that £1, mark. We can see that, in a couple more stocks, I'm getting 20p. And yeah, things are actually moving, quite well. If we check the beginning of when I first started this, I was getting 1p, 3 pence, 2 pence, 7 pence, 1, 2s, 4s, 5s. So it's kind of crazy to see, in less than a year, not too long, now I'm getting almost £1 from each dividend payment. So yeah, you guys probably want to stay on the journey to actually see how things are gonna grow, because hold my word for it, things are, this is gonna actually scale quite a lot. That is my aim. As soon as I can, increase my income, increase, everything else, those will eventually support this, and I'll be able to actually invest more and more every single month. So right now I'm investing 120 every single month into my dividends portfolio alone, not the growth, but just the dividends. So if I can increase that to about 300, that's going to be very significant. But that is, the progress so far. Today I'm up by £16. For the future, for the next couple of weeks before I reveal, my portfolio again, before I show my portfolio again to you guys next month. So the plan is to have a share of every single stock by then. So I'm going to have a share of every single stock. So all these stocks that you can see right here that aren't too high, like Pepsi and stuff and P&G, I will actually scale that up to 1 share. And after that, what I'm going to do now is focus on stocks that are actually low at that moment in time. So we can see, these big cuts like Coke being down by 6%, for example. So my plan would then be to put a bunch of money into like Coke and all these strong companies, and I'm gonna, you know, rack up the money to buy the shares very, very low, and hopefully they rise and I gain more, you know, more returns from them. So that is always the plan, to buy low and, you know, sell high if I do plan on selling, but I don't. But that is always the plan. You always want to know that you bought them low and you can sell high. I'm also gonna reveal or show you guys my growth portfolio soon. I was gonna show it in this video, but I'm guessing those who actually clicked on this video want to see the growth, want to see the dividend portfolio, not the growth portfolio. So I'm just gonna show you guys that in a different video. You know, make it quick, just quickly brush through it so you guys can see how much I've invested. Now I'm almost on, I think, 1.2. Yeah, and I did sell a couple companies on that portfolio. Actually, I'll let you guys know what that is in the future. I don't really sell on my dividends, but I do sell on my growth if need be, because yeah, the growth portfolio is slightly different. But yeah, so that is that so far. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. You know, it's a short one, just a quick update to my portfolio so far. Be sure to let me know if you guys would actually like to continue to see this monthly update, or if you think I should, you know, change it to every 2 months, every 3 months, or if you like to see, you know, the small changes that actually happen every single month. I'll be able to bring that to you guys every single time. Now, if you guys would like to get any share worth up to £200, then use the link down in the description below. All you have to do is open an account and put, you know, £1 into the account, and you guys will get any share worth up to £200 on FreeTrade. You know, it's quite easy to do. You can just put £1 into it. If you do get lucky and get any share of like £50, £100, then you can just sell that share and take your money out and just, you know, keep the money to yourself if you would like to. But the link will be down in the description below. Just open an account and it's, you know, completely free to do. I do thank you guys for being here once again today. Be sure to smash that like button. Be sure to share the video. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to turn on notifications. Also, down below in the description, my Twitter and my Instagram will be, you know, down there. If you guys would like to follow me to, you know, see what I do when I'm not uploading on YouTube, then, you know, the link will also be down in the description for you guys to, you know, check that out as well. Be sure to drop a like on whatsoever you guys want to do. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what stocks you guys think I should sell, what stocks you guys think I should consider buying. Then I will take your thoughts into consideration. But just let me know in the comments, you know, comment anything down below if you also got to this point of the video. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.